Not only did the snow make it difficult for people to get to work today, it actually made working itself difficult for many people, including postal workers.
Our Heather Catallo met up with one letter carrier who had to fight his way through snowbanks, treacherous driveways, just to do his job today.
As you can see here in Brownstown Township, the snow is piled right up to the mailboxes, but in many places it's getting to the mailbox that's extremely dangerous for postal workers.
Some customers shovel, some customers didn't.
Walk a mile in Jonathan Murphy's boots and you may never forget to clear your driveway again.
The ones that shovel, I really want to say thank you because it makes my day easier, and the ones that didn't shovel, please shovel, because it's making my day hard, and long.
Murphy has been a letter carrier for the U.S. Postal Service for 19 years. And you know what that means. Neither snow, nor rain, nor heat, nor gloom of night can keep this courier from completing his appointed rounds. But less snow sure would make it easier.
Luckily, one of my customers let me park in her driveway. But other than that, I probably would have got stuck. Then my boss would have, got on my butt for it getting stuck. So.
Murphy's route in Taylor includes delivering mail to 483 houses. And after about 14 inches of snow fell on Sunday, the side streets were nearly impossible to navigate.
As long as I keep moving, I'm okay. But when I'm stopped, that's when I get cold.
Murphy tackled his route on foot. Other postal workers in nearby Brownstown Township lucked out with recently plowed subdivisions, even if the mailboxes were nearly buried in snow. And while the snow can be treacherous, Jonathan Murphy really doesn't mind it, as long as you shoveled, of course.
My least favorite season is the summer. I do not like the hot. Out here, I can put on layers. If I get hot, I could take layers off. But in summertime, I just have to sweat it out.
So you actually like the snow?
Yes, no, the cold don't bother me. My birthday is Friday, so I'm a winter baby.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
Well, hopefully he can take the day off for his birthday. Now, a spokeswoman for the post office told me that despite the massive snowfall, things actually went pretty smoothly today. They do just remind everyone to try to clear a path to your mailbox if you can. Reporting in Brownstown Township, I'm Heather Catallo, 7 Action News.
Yeah, we got to help them out when we can.
You bet.